So here it is, guys, starting tech here. This is the $300 2001 Euro E46. It has the clear lights all around, has the M Sport wheels, just painted the disc brakes red, that gives an extra 10 to 15 horsepower immediately when you paint the brakes. Looks super clean. I actually scored this for $300. The owners just really wanted to get it off their property. It had 6 codes when I bought it. Check engine light. Wasn't overheating though. Valve cover gasket was leaking a bit. It leaked on 2 or 3 of the O2 sensors. So I put in 3 new O2 sensors, temp sensor, coolant, oil. Did all new fuel injectors, new spark plugs. Did all the maintenance to the car. Yeah, so these wheels are really clean. It had a little accident in the front. I replaced that side marker light. I'm still waiting on the side marker light underneath it. That's a bike reflector right now. I kind of pulled out the damage to the front of the bumper and resprayed it. I mean, it looks kind of bad, but you should have seen what it looked like when I bought it. There was no lights there, so the signal works, everything works. So just got it to pass Smog today or yesterday. But for $300, man, you can't complain. This is a clean Bmw E46. It's got the Euro lights, it's got the lib, it's got the extra horsepower, the sunroof works. We're in beautiful Sonoma County, California here. So super stoked I got this car for $300. I mean, I've been paying up the wazoo on my Mustang, and I'm a little tired of just never having money because I have to pay $200 car note and then $266 for insurance. But I got this. This is paid in full $300 to get this in my name. It had expired registration because the owners couldn't get it Smog, but I fixed everything. It's got full tint all around. The interior is actually pretty clean. I mean, for a 20-year-old car, the interior is pretty clean. It's got, leather seats, center console, just slapped a new steering wheel cover on here. Check this out. So it came with a touch screen, a nice touch screen. It came with an amp in the back. Just the stereo and the amp alone and the wheels is worth way more than $300. But check this out. I just replaced the spark plugs, just replaced the fuel injectors. Did synthetic oil change, did all the O2 sensors, a coolant temp sensor. Here's the Kenwood. So check this out. On a start, I only drove for about 5-10 minutes, so it's warmed up, but check out this start. Fires right up. It has 325,000 miles on the odometer, but I don't care because it's running great, and this is a classic. It looks great. Now let's go to the engine. I know some people said they can't stand my videos because of how shaky the camera is, but keep in mind I have to do all this with one hand. Let me set this down for a second. So here we go. The BMW inline 6 M54 motor. Just took off all these covers, put brand new fuel injectors in, brand new spark plugs. I got the coilovers in the mail, topped off the ATF fluid in the power steering. Just did a new synthetic oil change, new filter, new coolant here, bled it. It's even got the windshield washer fluid filled up. So for $300, you can't complain at all. M54, this is the Euro version with the clear lights. I can't believe I got this thing for $300. The owners really wanted it off their property though. The reg is expired for 2 years, but just paid my fees and my title transfer, so hopefully I can get all that soon. But I mean, that's the $300 M54. I mean, or E36, sorry, it has an M54 motor. Super clean car. Can't believe I got it for $300. I mean, look at that. She's just a beauty. It's not even lowered right now. Wait till I put the coilovers on it. It's going to look amazing. Here in Sonoma County, So beautiful. So yeah, I just wanted to do an update. That's the $300 BMW I got that I was commenting on a couple posts. And yes, I did get this for $300 cash out the door. So no more car note. And to top it off, my Mustang AC doesn't even work. So everything works on this car. And just past Smog, I got a fresh Smog certificate in hand. So let me show you this. It had 6 codes on it when I bought it. Fixed everything. Some trial and error, but a week later, I want to show you what I got here. What is this? The dreaded California emission system. Look at that. Pass, 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 pass. Awesome, guys.